Today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the pocket folding knife. So be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And if there's a coupon box code, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I would like to give the shout out to their marketing team for sending me this. So let's go and then unbox it and check it out. So it's pretty sharp. And the blades are very thin. So this package is very thick. You see, you can cut through paper and plastic. Actually, there are 2 layers of paper. Wow, look at that, very sharp. Those are the glue or residue from the sticker label right here. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.